What's going on, guys? I'm back on the channel. Today we're doing a Dream Zone Dating Simulator Interactive Stories tier list. So this is my opinion. So if you play Dream Zone, don't get buttered, okay? Because this is my opinion. So let's get on with it. Start with the bottom, Incognito Mode, which is a new book. Just released a couple weeks ago. So I got two of them right here. I don't know why. It must have been like a mistake or something. No, Incognito Mode. It's actually an interesting book because it's 4 chapters, but it's actually a pretty good book so far. So I'm gonna put in. I'm gonna give it a C for right now, due to the fact that it only has 4 chapters. No, 3. Sorry, yeah, 3 chapters. Guilty pleasure. It's coming towards the end. I think I'm gonna have 8 chapters. Maybe we'll have more. We're not sure yet. We're just gonna wait until this Thursday. But where did I don't? I want to say it's almost an A tier book, but because it hasn't ended, it's a B. Thirsty Girls A. Well, I'll give Thirsty Girls an B. It was okay book. I liked it. I liked the love interest in it. We had May, Avery, Laura, the 3 horsewomen, and Kimberly. They were all decent characters. May was my favorite. It was just an overall good book with some moments here and there. The ending was like what? How do the how do the May, Avery, Laura, and the three horsewomen have to do with that glitch guy? Like, who is he? We met him at the end, but that's all we know. So it's a B. Adult education, A tier book. That's an A tier book. Okay, it's an A tier book. What can I say? Good love interest. You got Nicole, stepmom, which is the best character in the book. By Caitlin, which she's obsessed with us. Hostel Story 3. Let's see. It's an okay book, I guess. Not the best. Honeywood. A tier. One of the best books. No question about it. All the characters, good. Amazing characters. Devil's Deal 2. I'll give it a B. Pretty good book. A lot of cliffhangers here and there. Good ending, not bad. Lookalikes. A tier. Pretty good book. Pretty decent book. Pretty decent book, actually. I just like it. My Billy classmates. A tier book. Colorblind. Ooh, this is hard one. I like this book, but I don't know, A or B. B. It's not the best book, not the greatest. It's okay book, just right down the middle. Okay, time and time again. Gonna be brutally honest about this. C. I didn't really like it. First time I played it, I don't understand it. Okay, not gonna lie. And the second time I played it through, I understood it a little bit more, but not really my kind of book or my kind of thing, you know. Toy Story 2. B. Good entry in the series. Not bad. Not great either. Just right down the middle. Ubers. This is B. Good characters in there, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty good characters. Good storyline. Just a average book, I guess. Average game. Average book, I guess. Men for Hire. A tier, definitely. That's an A tier book right there. Men for Hire. A tier. No question about it. A tier. Love the characters. Love the plot. Love the cliffhangers. I love the ending. I love the start of it. I just love the book. Rogang. A tier book. Again, another A tier book. Pretty decent book. Like the characters in it. Like the storyline. Pretty decent. An A tier book. Impossible Game 2. A B. Didn't like it as much as the first one, but it is what it is. Half Human 2. A tier. No, that's an A tier book. Both Half Humans. High up. The first one better than the second one though. But second one, A tier. Project Prometheus. I'm gonna give it a C. It's an okay. It's a decent book. Not the greatest, but not the worst. Devil's Deal. S tier. First S tier book, Devil's Deal. Amazing book. Good characters. Good plot. What else can I say? It's an S tier book. Impossible Game. A tier. Like I said, better than the second one. But it's not good characters, I guess. A lot of plot twist. Just a few moments here and there which I didn't like, but all in all, A tier book. Half Human. Well, you know, everyone knows. S tier. Best story in the game. Best story in the app. No questions about it. Has best character in the app. Best storyline in the app. Best plot. What more can you ask for? Last but not least, Hostile Stories 1. S tier. The first book. First story, what do you want to call it? For the app. S tier book. Great characters. Great storyline. An S tier book. What can I say? An S tier book. And there you guys have it. I had to keep my voice down because it's getting late. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'm glad I'm back on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next one.